it's Aaron, and we'll be going through the solution for the EscherStern, or Ash Star. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. Main goal of the puzzle: put all these pieces into the frame. Another one of these ones that once you put pieces together, they just look like one big piece. Gotta love them. So, to start with, we'll take this piece and we'll put it in our top corner. Next up, we'll take this one kind of seems like Jean Claude has done a couple of these puzzles which are just like an Ash series. Like there's an Ash Star, there's an Ash Wave, and Ash Cubes. They all seem quite different, so I'm not really sure what's linking them per se. I guess it's just a name he likes. And if that even is translating properly. Either or. I guess the one thing that links them is they all... Do I got this backwards? Yeah. There we go. Just pull that out and show you again before it disappears forever. Gotta love getting text messages. Anyway. This long boy and attempt to put it in. There we go. Wants to be sticky. Give it a little tap, shuffle things around. Ah, it's in there. And you can see that you can't really make out any of the pieces anymore. That wood grain looks kind of cool. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.